Hi everyone, it's Shell from Designs by Shell here. Hope you're doing well today. Today I have a little project I wanted to share with you. It's not my original design or anything. I saw this on Julie DiMattio's YouTube. She goes by Paper Pixie, and it was just a really cute little chocolate treat that you could make and package up with the scrapbook paper. And they're using these Merci European chocolates, and you get, I think, 16 in the package, and I've used several already here. I've just got a few of these left, but they come in these like chocolate sticks, different flavors, and so they make really cute little gifts if you want to package them up individually or maybe two at a time or something. This particular project is just doing one at a time, and this is what the finished little package looks like. So they're really cute, and you can decorate the top any way you like. I just did this little kind of a banner style shape on there, and it has a little grommet on it, so I added a little bit of white crochet cotton on there, and added a tiny little, I don't know how well you can see it, tiny little punched out tulip on there, and some I did little butterflies on. But there's lots of ways you can decorate them. You could use different papers, whatever you fancy. This one is kind of a ombre, kind of peachy cream color with gold polka dots on it. And so here's a couple more that are similar that I did here. And they go together super quick. So, I mean, it literally just takes minutes to do this, and they're done using the envelope punch board. So there's one. I'm going to finish this one, and here's the little banner that is going to go on there, and I stamped just for you on there. And you can put whatever message you want on here. You want something that kind of is lengthwise, you know, to fit the shape of it, a message like that. Just for you is one that I had that worked on there, so I thought I'd do that. And then here's a couple other ways to dress them up. These ones I did just some adhesive kind of sparkly flowers on there. Turned out really cute. And then one other one is I just did the same banner, but I did these little blue kind of acrylic dots on there. And like I said, you could do whatever you want on there to decorate them. You could do other different kinds of flowers, different stickers if you had that, whatever you like. So anyways, I thought those were kind of fun to do and nice for little gifts. And I'm gonna use the envelope punch board and show you how to put one together. Okay, so we're gonna use a 3.5 by 3.5 piece of scrapbook paper. And once you get that cut, you're going to use your envelope punch board, and you're gonna put it at 2 5/8. So you look on your board here, go to the 2 5/8, like so, and you get your tool here. So you're gonna punch and score. And then you're gonna turn it and match up that score line. Like this. And there's an arrow on here to kind of guide you. Punch and score. And then you're going to match up the score line again. And then one more time. So you can see how you get this little shape here. And that's really all there is to it for that. And then you can burnish your score lines like this. Just get those out of the way. Then you'll take your chocolate. Let's see, I'll grab one here. What flavor is this? So this one says cocoa mousse. I bet that's good. And then you just set it inside your little paper here. Push the ends down, and you take the top and you fold it over, and just using your fingers you crease it along here. And then what you'll do is begin to fold and just pull it tightly. Keep folding until it goes all the way around. I know, it's so simple, right? And then Julie used glue to glue this down on hers, but just for the purposes right now, quickly, I'm just going to use some of this score tape here. just to show you there. So then it's like this, and then you can open the ends to get into the chocolate, so you don't have to worry about that being glued or whatever adhesive you use to put that down. So it's like that, either end can open, and then now you just want to decorate it. And so you can, you know, if you want to do the little banner, you can put that on there. Add your crochet cotton or a little flower sticker or whatever you want to do on there. But I just wanted to show you that. And I'll put a link to Julie D'Amadio's YouTube in the description box, so you can go and see how she made hers as well. And so that's kind of fun. So I hope you like the project, and it's always good to eat chocolate, just a little bit. So I hope you have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.